Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mariam. So today I'm going to make a Polaroid painting. So the main thing what you need is a watercolor paper of this size. So another thing is a watercolor, some brushes and a washi tape or a normal tape. So let's begin. First of all, we will paste the tape on the corners of the watercolor paper like this. Now we will do this on the other three sides also. We will leave some space at the bottom so that we can write something so that it will look like a Polaroid. Now it is ready to paint. First I will apply water on the paper, then I will add colors on it. So like this I'm gonna blend the colors on the paper.
I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it.
With the help of a dryer I'm gonna dry this color. Now with the help of a brush I'm gonna spray paint so that it looks like a star or some glittery thing. So our base is ready. Now I'm going to draw something on a bottom. I'm gonna draw buildings. So the painting is almost over. Now I am gonna remove this tape. This looks so satisfying. As you can see, the edges are so smooth. So the painting is done. Now you can write something on the bottom of the paper. I am going to write memories. You can also mention the date over here.
Inside of me, in this desert, I can look at you.
So our Polaroid painting is completed. It looks not less than a Polaroid picture. You can make so many Polaroid paintings like this of any design. Also, you can make so many pictures like this and hang it on a rope or something with the help of clip. This will add to a decor item in your room, or you can just paste it on a wall. So guys, this was really fun to do. I will suggest you all to try it once and you will absolutely gonna love this. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and please comment down your reviews. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe it. We will meet again. Till then, bye.